How to fix Honor x7c notification sound. Let's start the video. First of all, open Settings app and go down, select Sounds and Vibration, and from here you can see Do Not Disturb. Click on this and we will simply click on this Do Not Disturb. Now Do Not Disturb is on, and again click on this, so Do Not Disturb is off, and then go back, click on Notifications, and we will simply click on Wake Screen for Notifications. Now notification is enabled. After that, if doesn't your problem solve, then select System and Updates, and here you can see Software Update. Click on this, and from here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it is not updated, then from your update it to latest versions. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.